Everybody is looking for the next big thing in finance. Could Bitcoin be it? Let's explore. First up, Bitcoin's got some major perks. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. That makes it tough to manipulate or censor. Plus, it's super secure thanks to cryptography, and every transaction is recorded on a public ledger for full transparency. And the best part? Anyone with an internet connection can use it, no matter where they are. But hey, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Bitcoin's price is crazy volatile, which isn't great for a stable currency. Its network can only handle so many transactions at once, so scalability is a big issue. And let's not forget the massive energy consumption that mining requires. Hello, environmental concerns. Plus, regulatory uncertainty around the world makes things even trickier. So, will Bitcoin replace fiat money? Probably not anytime soon. But it could become a go-to for certain transactions like cross-border payments. The future of Bitcoin? Well, that's a story still being written.